This is DeWalt's StealthSonic 5-gallon vacuum cleaner. It has a 4 horsepower peak to it, and it is supposed to be 50% quieter. Let's see. To my ears, that does sound a little bit quieter. Now, I didn't have the hose attached, so I'm gonna put a hose attachment on it. It does come with your typical hose attachments. It has your extender wands. It has the car cleaning nozzle. It has a brush nozzle, and then a flat nozzle, and an adapter, accessory bag, and a wet filter if you need to suck up water or anything. The reason I bought this one is it's a little bit smaller than my other shop vac, and it's gonna go under the table where my CNC lives. It's gonna connect with a dust deputy and my CNC. So I wanted something a little bit smaller and hopefully a little bit quieter. Now with the accessories on here, let's see how much quieter it is. That's quiet enough that I can have a conversation. I know it might be a little loud on the video, but it's quiet enough to have a conversation while it's running and not have to have hearing protection. Now, you might want some headphones in if you're working in an area that this is going all the time, just because it'll get annoying. But that's an awesome little vacuum cleaner. It's got plenty of suction, and I think I'm gonna enjoy having it in my shop.